Hey guys, and welcome to another cool video. In this video we will discuss about the nested if statements in JavaScript. About nested if statements in JavaScript. So now we're going to discuss about nested if statements. So we need to understand the concept of nested if statement and what is the meaning of this nested if statement. So meaning of nested if statement is in one if statement there is another if statement. So nested if statements means an if statement inside an if statement. Yes, JavaScript allows us to nest if statements within if statements. That is, we can place an if statements inside another if statement. So if this condition 1 this is true, so we know in these curly braces our code is executed. So in this code, in these curly braces, if this code is executed, so we will put our second condition in this also. So saying if condition true, and if it is also true, so when condition true is true. And here is the flow chart of this. So we will talk about nested if statement. So let's go and talk about our nested if statement. So we say let x is equal to 20, and then we're gonna say if x is less than 100, and in this parenthesis we will put our second condition, and that is if x is less than 50. Okay, so when have a condition in which we say alert, and now saying key number less than 50. So first statement else if, and then we have a second condition in which say else if x is greater than 50, and then we're gonna say alert number greater than 50. Second condition is also, the third condition is to check the else. So else alert equal to 50. Okay, and then we check with our else. So if and else alert equal or greater than 50. Okay, else or if greater or equal to 100. So that's how. Okay, so in our case, if let x is equal to 20, okay, and 20 is less than 100, the answer is yes. So this code needs to be executed. So now it will check these conditions also in this. So 20 is less than 15, the answer is yes. So it will do this alert, and it will show me the output that number less than 20, because it will execute this block. And if we have 70 in this place, so 70 is also less than 100. That means this first condition, this x is less than 100, this condition is true. So it will go to now this part, and it will first check this if nested first if, and with 70 is less than 50, the answer is no. So this block is not to be executed. Then it will check this second condition else if. So 70 is greater than 50, so we got number greater than 50, so we got 17 in our output. So let's see. So running our HTML file, and as you can see number greater than 50. So in this case this block is to be executed, and if we put 50 here, let's put 50, and when just entering this and index.html, so it will give me equal to 50. So this is how we can use if statements. And if we put 150, so this, if this statement is false, so if 150 is less than 100, the answer is no. So if this statement is not true, if that means if this statement is false, then this entire code should not be executed. Then we have an else statement in which we say equal or greater to 100. So let's test it. So equal or greater to 100. So this is how. Okay, so we can use use in this to make a game. So we say x equal prompt, and then we say enter a number. Okay, and running our file, so you can see enter a number, and if we enter a number, and that is 40, so we got number less than 50. So this is how actually this thing is working. Okay, so enter your age, and if we have a second example in which we enter your age, and if we say if x is less than 18, if x is less than what 36, so we're gonna check with our second condition. So if x is less than 18, then we're gonna say you are a child. Okay, and else if this x is greater than 18, you are a bachelor. Okay, and else your age is 18. Your age is 18. Okay, and in the case of else we say alert, and in that alert we say you are not a bachelor, you are a old person. Okay, okay, and saving and running our HTML file. So if we say our age is 40, so we got you are not a bachelor, you are an old person. Okay, and let's test one more time. So enter your age, and if we enter 18, so running this, your age is 18. Okay, and one more time running, enter your age, and if we enter our age, that is 12, you are a child. Okay, what about if we enter nothing in this case? If we don't enter anything, so it says you are a child, because these stupid mistakes are done by the child. So this is how the nested if statements are working in JavaScript. So this if statements 2-3 series in this if statements are covered. So we talk about how actually if statements are working. We have discussed actually also comparison operator and logical operators using if else statements, and we discuss actually about nested if statements. Okay, so in the next part of the video we will discuss about the mathematics in JavaScript, how the mathematics things are working in JavaScript. So in the next video we will discuss about the math module in JavaScript. So we already discussed about the assignment operators, addition, multiplication operators, but except that we have few more math functions which include the math module in JavaScript. So in the next video we will discuss about this. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Like, share and subscribe my channel Coding India, or you can follow me on GitHub, Twitter and all of these platforms. Links provided in the description. Join my JavaScript tutorial series. Otherwise, thank you.